Hello everyone, you are welcome to another video in WordCastLIVE. So in today I'm going to be showing you how to apply your theme to your presentation to any output, be it the full screen projector or your NDI output. I'm going to be walking you through the process, so follow me. So to do that, to apply your theme to your output in WordCastLIVE, we have something called look. With this look, you have access to apply or assign a particular thing or a particular presentation type to a particular output. For example, now you might want to send lower third to your NDI while you send full screen to your projector. So to do that, come at the top here and click on this button right here. When you click on this, it's going to open this look window. In this window, you're going to ask, this is where you assign your theme to specific outputs, different theme to specific output. Here now, I'm going to, since I did not have any icon on, though both of them have same process. You can use same process to apply theme to each output. Or here now, the scripture, you click on it, it's going to open your available theme. So here is all the theme I have currently on my PC on this WordCastLIVE. So I'll be assigning theme to each output now. So here I select lower third for this, for the scriptures. I select scriptures lower third, as you can see this for scriptures. Why for lyrics, I select a full screen for lyrics. I can set a lower third for the lyrics, but I'm not setting that. Though we are still going to do that, I'm going to show you that also. But let's start with this full screen. So that's all you need to do in this theme look editor. Same goes for the NDI output. If we close out of this now and we display any scripture, you can see now that it's using the lower third we set in the theme look editor. So if I select another translation right here and I double click another scripture, it's going to use that same theme. Let's look for another scripture, and also let's look for a very longer scripture and see the way it's going to look. So let's use the book of Esther, chapter 8, verse 9. So the book of Esther, chapter 8, verse 9, and I click enter. You are going to see how it's going to look. It makes every text for that particular book of the Bible to fit into the theme, not breaking the verse into another slide. So this makes it easy for displaying your lower thirds, sending this now to your live streaming software or your live streaming game. This is going to make it very easy instead of sending full screen to your lower third. And same thing you can do is that you can send a full screen of this particular book of the Bible to the main projector also. So this is going to be shown as a full screen on the main projector, while the lower third also going to your streaming software. So now let's go to lyrics and let's check that out. So I have some lyrics, and I said this and I display this now. You're going to see it take the full screen for that particular theme. So for example, now these are the verse and so on. So now let's say that I want to set the lower third for this theme. If I come back to theme, I look here and I click on lyrics and I set lower third for that, you can see I have lower third. So by display this, you can see that all the lyrics are lower third. So you make this okay. You are going to go into your song, right click it and click on edit. It's going to open this, and maybe I'll break this into two lines and click on save. So it's going to display each of them in two line lyrics. So this also makes it easier to display lyrics as a lower third to your streaming software. So that's how to apply theme to a particular output in WordCastLIVE. And before I end this video, I want to talk about look editor also. So if you click on the look editor, and on the left side there, you're going to see that you have option to add a new look. This is a new one. This is the default one that came with WordCastLIVE. You can create a new one if you're on a pro version. You have access to create multiple look in which you can apply different themes for your presentation. So to use them, you just have to close this, and maybe during your presentation you want to switch between different theme, different layout. Just click on this drop down right here and you can select anything that you want. You can select anything you want. Just click on the drop down no matter how the look you create, it's going to list it here. So you can select any look you want and display it live. So that's how to apply theme in WordCastLIVE and also how to create a look in WordCastLIVE. See you in the next video. Bye.